now I'm going to a 6-foot radius. See how I like that, and see what happens. So this is it. Lander. I'll take it easy at first. See what happens. Ramps are okay. One little adjustment I want to make, and that'll be it. And should be good to go. Just got wood for another ramp. Do the ramp now. We got it all finished. Alright, we got the ramp out. We got the lander made today. Testing it out. I think it's a little too short. The lander's fine. It's not that. It's the case pad. The box. A little too short. We're gonna make that a little bit bigger for the next time. And we'll see what happens. digging the ramp, and I think I got it where if I put a box in instead of leaving the gap, I think I got it dialed in at the right. So I'm gonna measure it real quick. Tell you, and then next time we ride this, we'll get some wood shit. And let's see what it is. Probably go 35 inches. See you on the next one. So let's ride. Let's ride shirts. Now available. Cop it before you cops you. Later. Available! T-shirts now available.